Hello and welcome back. Today we're diving into something super exciting, the top 5 free AI tools that can help you make money online in 2025. Artificial intelligence is changing how we work, create, and even earn. And the good news is you don't need to be a tech expert to use these tools. If you know the right ones, you can turn them into real income opportunities. So let's jump right in. Number 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available. You can use it to write articles, create YouTube scripts, marketing ideas, or even reply to emails. Many freelancers are already making money with ChatGPT by offering writing services, creating social media content, or even tutoring online. Think of it as your personal assistant that helps you deliver results faster and more professionally. Next, we have Canva. Canva has added amazing AI features like magic design and text-to-image. With these, you can create logos, social media posts, presentations, or even business cards in minutes. Small businesses and content creators are always in need of designs. With Canva, you don't need to be a professional graphic designer. You just need creativity and a little practice. Our third tool is Pictory AI. This one is a game changer if you want to create videos. Pictory can take a script or blog post and automatically turn it into a professional-looking video. This makes it perfect for starting a faceless YouTube channel or for helping businesses create marketing videos quickly. You don't need advanced editing skills. Pictory does the hard work for you. At number 4, we have copy.ai. This tool is all about words. It creates marketing copy, ad headlines, product descriptions, and even blog posts. Businesses need powerful words to sell their products, and with copy.ai, you can provide that service. Whether you want to freelance on Fiverr or Upwork, or just help local businesses, copy.ai gives you the edge in copywriting. Finally, we have Jasper AI. Jasper also offers a free trial and is one of the best AI tools for creating high-quality, human-like content. It specializes in blogs, ads, and website content. If you want to help businesses grow online, Jasper can make it much easier. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can use Jasper to build a real income stream. And there you have it, the top 5 free AI tools to make money online in 2025. Whether it's writing, designing, video editing, or marketing, AI is opening doors to new opportunities every day.